Welcome to Love Set Run.
I'm Andre.
And I'm Sierra. Join us as we backpack around the world, leaving a footprint of love everywhere we go.
We'll show you how you can consciously volunteer on your travels,
How fun and rewarding it is to give back,
and how you too can make a difference in the world.
We are up the ass crack of dawn. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. And we are headed to trek Salkantay.
It was a bumpy and windy 2.5-hour bus ride to the trailhead, but we found an awesome company called Salkantay Trekking to guide us on our trip to Machu Picchu.
We lucked out with the best guide, Roy. He was an encyclopedia of knowledge on the history of Andean culture and the native flora and fauna. Welcome home.
Thanks. Made it.
Alright guys, who's ready to hike up that mountain today?
Awesome.
Let's do it! Tell me what we're doing today.
We're gonna climb that thing.
Whoa, all the way to the top?
All the way to the top.
Okay, cool.
Just kidding.
I'll see you up there.
But we're hiking to almost, 15,200
15-2.
feet.
It's super early o'clock in the morning. We're up and ready. 1, 2, 3, Salkantay!
Last night, I was suffering the effects of altitude sickness. When I woke up, Roy was worried I wouldn't make it up the pass. Fortunately, I started feeling a little better and I found the strength to push through.
The ancient Incans revered the mountains as gods and believed that they protected the people and lands around them. We were so oxygen deprived by the time we got to the highest point of our trek that we forgot to shoot video, so here's a photo instead.
What goes up must come down. We've got 11 miles of downhill ahead of us.
This is definitely the most scenic place I've ever washed my hands.
There. Dinner time.
Three Salkantay, eh? 1, 2, 3, Salkantay! Very good.
The scenery on the trek changed so fast. Yesterday we were hiking next to a glacier. Today we're going to be entering the jungle.
Part of the reason why we chose the Salkantay trek is because it's less crowded than the Inca Trail. And it's true, we hardly saw anyone on our way.
It's our 4th day of trekking and we're on our way to Aguas Calientes, the base of Machu Picchu. We made it!
We made it to Aguas Calientes!
Very good.
This is a literal labyrinth.
Yeah, we're up at 4 to go to Machu Picchu because if you want to be there first, you gotta get there early. Even though we got here, well, our team got here at like 4 in the morning, we're still before the bus.
We're on our way to Machu Picchu. Hola. Gracias. Machu Picchu is considered one of the new 7 wonders of the world.
It's so amazing. I can't even believe this is real.
Many important people, they destroy on fire the most important. To build the most important people's houses. What does mean? Important people. When I go, you're gonna find this kind of people. Believe that the people, the Andean people, would build this. Thank you very much. As I told you, this is not goodbye. This is just see you, my friends. Well, maybe we're gonna meet in the next life. I don't know exactly. So, thank you so much for everything. Yeah, so,
Thank you, Roy.
thank you, guys. Second cheers. Second cheers. Very good. Very good.
For an even better view of the ruins, hike Machu Picchu Montaña. It's an hour and a half up steep, narrow stairs, but the views are spectacular.
We did it!
Yes!
Join us in our next episode where we volunteer with monkeys.